Hey guys, do you want something that is fluffy, creamy, and delicious, and perfect for summer? Then my fluffy lemon no-bake pie is perfect for you, so stay tuned. Welcome to my kitchen, and let's see what I am no-baking. So we're going to start by making our pie crust, and simply to do that is we are going to add 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter into a bowl and melt that in the microwave. And now that that is melted, I am going to add in 1/3 of a cup of white sugar, 1.5 cups of graham cracker, just ground, and some cinnamon, but I just need to grab it, so 1 second. So I have half a teaspoon here. It's what I have left in this container. Don't worry, I have more. But I'm just gonna add the remainder of that in, and I am gonna remember to refill that later. And then let's give this a good mix until it is nice and crumbly and kind of holds together. So mix it up, and I will see you in a second here. And now simply all we are going to do is once the graham crumbs have absorbed and mixed into the butter, we are just going to press it out into a 9-inch baking pie dish, if that made sense, a 9-inch pie dish. And we are going to move on to our filling. And just saying, rustic is best. Prove me wrong. So to start, we are going to heat up 2 lemons in the microwave for 10 seconds on 2 sides for a total of 20 seconds. So we are looking to juice and zest these. So what I am going to do is I am going to zest it first and then get the juice, and we want about half a cup of juice total. And for the zest, I like to do about 2 whole lemons worth of the zest. So I already zested my lemons, and now I'm just going to get half a cup of juice. These are fairly large lemons, so we'll see how far they get me. And now before we add in our lemon juice, we are going to add in an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, which is the equivalent to 1. And then I made this homemade Cool Whip, and that's what's going to make this absolutely fluffy, so I am going to add in that too. It is roughly 2 cups. And next we are going to do 1 can. This is 300 milliliters of condensed milk, and then we are simply just going to mix this all together. You can do the whipping cream separate, but I am just going to do it all together. And I'm going to start by mixing this mixture first and then adding in my lemon juice, which I definitely did get a half a cup and maybe then some from those 2 lemons because they were huge. So just give this a nice mix. And I would advise switching to a spatula that is a little bit bendable but firm to finish mixing in the cream cheese. And now simply all I'm going to do is I am going to spread out the lemon mixture I made. I also put the lemon juice in and mixed that in. And now I'm just going to put it into my pie shell, my graham crust. And I am going to put that in the fridge and let it set for overnight. And off it goes. And now here's our finished pie. It is nice and solid. I can tell because it's not jiggling, so you know that's when it's ready. Let me get a nice shot for you. Now let's serve up a slice. Oh yeah, it's still so velvety and fluffy. I love that about this recipe. And just kind of scoop. And let me give it a try for you. So again, only honest opinions are allowed about this, but I can tell it's nice and creamy and oh so dreamy, so I'm so excited to try this out. I have made it before, it is so good, and it is always a hit at a picnic. So let's give it a try and make sure the lemon flavor is absolutely there. So my honest opinion about this is if you're going to make this, definitely do more than half a cup of lemon juice because it will elevate it like way up here. It is so fluffy and so creamy because of that whipped cream, and it's just nice and refreshing. I absolutely love it. The graham crust kind of balances the lemon flavor so it's not too much in your face. And so if that sounds good to you, stay tuned. Welcome to my kitchen, and let's see what I am no baking next. Hey.